Every Porsche Macan we tend to buy around about this price range and age sells instantly. And this is a beautiful example. So it's a Porsche Macan, 2-litre PDK, but it's all about the specification. It's finished in a beautiful colour called Carrera White, not your average colour white, beautiful pearlescent white. It's got sunroof as an option. It's got the seats you want, 18-way memory seats, 21-inch upgraded classic sport wheels. So it's got the right specification. Privacy glass, it just looks lovely. It's covered 29,000 miles, full service history, and it'll sell because it represents real good value for money. Macans in general are holding the value fantastic. Big, huge front splitter on the front. You've got a lovely gold, red and black Porsche crest. Lovely LED lights there across the front, which is built into that front bumper. You've got park assist and reverse camera. 21-inch wheels, beautiful, finishing anthracite grey. You can see you've got the Porsche logo in the centres as well, which has been done as an option. Black roof rails, fully de-chromed as well, all around the windows, privacy glass. And then even little things, the Porsche Macan badging in black, tailpipes again in black, just to give it that lovely, lovely look. And it is about the spec with these cars. Some of the Macans can look so bland, where this has got the wheels, the exterior styling, the sliding sunroof inside, and then inside here, look at this. So, if you look at the seats, 18-way, memory, heated seats, Porsche logo on the headrests, sliding sunroof inside, and it's just a lovely car. You can see you've got your memory seats on there, electric folding mirrors. I'm just going to start the car up. Little bits of red as well, so you can see your clocks in the centre are done in the red. The seat belts as well. Just breaks it up lovely. And then I'll show you the features. So we've got cruise control, park assist, so if we go into here, you've got front and back parking sensors with a camera. Staying in this here as well, you've got your navigation, you've got your multimedia. Moving up, the big one. Massive option this, so important as well. Sliding panoramic sunroof. And then as we move back down to the centre, you've got your PDK gearbox with your paddle shifts, heated seats, driver and passenger, digital climate control, sport button, lane assist, start, stop. Just features that you would expect. Look at the condition as well of the leather. It is lovely and crisp, immaculate. And then as we move, I'll just show you in the back. The popular Macans as well, because of the size, they're a nice size, they're not too big. You've still got plenty of space in the rear. And they just sell. They do sell really, really well. Electric tailgate. There you can see. You've even got the original key box from when the car was new. You can drop the seats down. Look at the boot space. Very, very practical. So, Carrera White, Porsche Macan, PDK, with the sunroof, with the right seats, alloys, all the right specification. It is priced on the money to sell. There's other cars available, thousands of pounds, same year, for more money. So this is going live. Thank you for watching.